Hello students, today we will be discussing all the questions, all the exercise given of the chapter 3 in your books. Now we have studied about the types of fibers, advantages and disadvantages of synthetic fibers, and about the plastics, uses of plastic, harmful effect of plastic on our environment. Now let's start with the question. The first question, let me write down first, exercise. A question is, read the following questions carefully and tick the right option. आपको क्या करना है बच्चा, आपको एक क्वेश्चन अच्छे से पढ़िए, देन जो आंसर आपको उन ऑप्शंस में से सही लग रहा है उसकी चेक बॉक्स के सामने टिक कर दीजिए. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, initially which fibers did the men use? Plant, animal, both of these, none of these. Of course we use plant and animals fibers, so the correct option is C, that is both of these. Second question, man-made fibers are made from. जो man-made fibers होते हैं वो किससे बनते हैं? Coal, petroleum, natural gas, all of these. So the correct answer is all of these, that is D is right. All of these. Third, a plastic used for making disposable cups. Okay, जो disposable cups होते हैं वो plastic किससे बनता है आपका? This is the plastic polystyrene, that is C, sorry, B option is right. Okay, that is the option are HDP, PS, PP, PVC. The correct answer is B, PS. PS means polystyrene. Next, which of the following is a thermosetting plastic? And the options are A, PVC, B, Teflon, C, Bakelite, D, nylon. The correct answer is Bakelite. So the answer for the fourth question is C, Bakelite. You know students, I'm going to give you an interesting fact also about Teflon. Teflon एक मटीरियल होता है, एक ब्रांड नेम है, एक तरह का पॉलीमर होता है, एंड इट डू नॉट गेट स्टिक, मटीरियल डू नॉट गेट स्टिक इजीली टू इट. दैट्स वाई हम टेफ्लॉन को नॉन स्टिक कुकिंग वेयर्स में यूज़ करते हैं. ओके. Fifth, which of this fiber is made from raw material obtained from plants? Rayon, nylon, terylene, polyester. You know, rayon, I have told you it is a silk structure, it's a semi-synthetic type material also. It is also known as semi-synthetic. So answer is A, rayon. Next, 6. A plastic used for making grocery bags. A plastic which is used for making grocery bag is, the option is PP, A is PP, B, PS, C, LDPE and D, PVC. So the correct option is C, LDPE, low density polyethylene. 7th, the non-stick coating of utensils is made up of, we have discussed right now, A, Teflon, B, nylon, C, PET or D, Dacron. It is A, Teflon. So this is all the answers for the question A. Okay, please note down these answers. Now for the question B, that is fill in the blanks with appropriate word. आपको fill in the blanks दिए हुए and आपको fill करने जो आपको word सही लगे. Okay, now let's start. B. First question. Most synthetic fibers are obtained from coal, and natural gas. So the answer is petroleum. Second, synthetic fibers do not absorb water or you can say moisture. Okay. Third, rayon is obtained from, rayon किससे मिलता है बच्चा? From a solution of wool pulp or it is obtained from wool pulp or cotton. So it is a like a solution which is made from this. We can say wood pulp. Okay. Next, nylon is made from. Now, I have told you that nylon is made from two monomers, hexamethylene diamine, and next is adipic acid. So you have to write that answer. So the first is hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid. Okay. Fifth, fill in the blanks. Plastics are dash conductor of electricity. Poor conductor. Okay. Next question is polyethylene terephthalate is commonly known as PET. 7. Careless disposal of used plastic bags produce environmental problems or environmental hazards. You can like environmental hazards. Okay. So this is all about the filling the blanks. Please note down the answers for this question B. Now the next question C. Write true or false for the following statements. Okay. Now you have to read a statement and then if it is true or if it is correct, write true. If it is wrong, write false. सही के लिए true लिखिए, गलत के लिए false लिखिए. So C and the first. Wool is a natural fiber obtained from plants. Wool कहाँ से मिलती है बच्चा? Sheep से. तो ये plant नहीं है ना sheep. Sheep is an animal. It is false. Second, plastics are generally good conductor of electricity. No, they are false. Okay, they are bad conductor or poor conductor of electricity. Third, most plastics are generally soluble in water. They are insoluble in water. That's why हम plastic bottles में water store कर सकते हैं. अगर वो soluble होता तो plastic dissolve हो जाता water में. So this is also false. Now fourth, most plastics are biodegradable. This is also false. Fifth, polyester fibers is used for making hand knit sweaters. This is also false. Okay. Sixth question. Terylene is a type of polyester. It is correct. Dacron and tellurine. I have told you about 3 types of polyester. Dacron or terylene or PET. So it is true. 7th. Nylon is used for making parachute. It is very much right and the answer is true. Because it has very good strength and elasticity. That's why nylon is used for making parachutes, nets, badminton rackets and all this. So please note down this answer. Now we will be doing the D question. And the D question is match the column A with column B. Let me write on the column A first and then the column B and then we will be matching it. Column A, column B. So this is D question. wood pulp. आपको क्या करना है बच्चा, इस कॉलम को उस कॉलम से मैच करना है विद एन अप्रोप्रिएट रिलेशन. नायलॉन, टैरलीन, so next is terylene, next melamine, next is rope. Okay, now 1 2 3 4 5 6, and the options for column B is okay. So the options are rayon, polyester, thermosetting plastic, next option is nylon, protein and toothbrush. Nylon, protein, toothbrush. Okay, now you have to match this column A with this column B. Suppose we are taking silk. So this silk, wood pulp, nylon, terylene, melamine and rope, we have to match with this side. Now, silk is related, either it can be related to rayon because rayon is a type, made as an artificial fiber for silk, and silk is also a protein also. Now we are confused. Let's take wood pulp. Now this wood pulp is made this rayon is made from wood pulp. So this is the correct answer for this. Now, next is nylon, terylene, melamine, rope. Let's combine melamine. Melamine is a thermosetting plastic. Now, polyester. Terylene is a polyester. Rope. Rope is made from nylon. Toothbrush is made from nylon. I have told you the first toothbrush bristles were made from nylon in 1938, and silk is a protein. So that's why we have been confused with silk and rayon. So now we have no confusion regarding it, and this is the answer for the D question, that is match the column A with column B. Now the next question is E, that is answer the following question. Okay. I'm going to give you some hints regarding each question that you can have and solve your answers and write briefly in your notebooks. So the first question, what are synthetic fibers? Give 2 examples. Synthetic fibers की definition लिखिए and कोई भी 2 examples दे दीजिए आप. Nylon, acryl, rayon, any examples, okay? How are polymer useful to us? Because they can create synthetic fibers, plastics, so they are very much useful to us. Now, name any 2 advantages and disadvantages of synthetic fiber. ये आपकी बुक्स में दिया हुआ है, आपको बस 2 लिखने. Okay, you have been given with 3 disadvantages of synthetic fiber and 4 advantages of synthetic fiber. Please take any 2 and write in your notebook. Fourth, write any 2 general properties of plastic. You have been given with 5 general properties of plastic, or you have to write only any 2. You can either write thermal conductivity, electrical conductivity, solubility in water, effect of flame, or reactivity. Use any one. Next, the 5th question is, explain in brief the harmful effect of the disposal of plastic. the harmful effect. Like I have told you, if we burn the plastic, toxic gases will be produced. If we buried the plastic underground, water will be the level of underground water will be shrinked. If we throw the plastic on roadside, then it will cause disease to like our animals. So these are the disadvantages of disposal of plastics. Sixth question is, suggest any two ways to limit the harmful effects associated with the plastic disposal. बच्चा मैंने आपको बताया था, you can use plastic bags. You do not have to use plastic bags. Use biodegradable bags, or use a bag made up of cloth, or you can use garbage can, separate garbage can, one for biodegradable waste, one for non-biodegradable waste. Any two have been mentioned, many have been mentioned in your books. You have to write any two ways. Now we will be discussing HOTS. HOTS is high order thinking skill question. So why is plastic necessary for human life? As this so much population is there, it is very easily plastic is available to us. So it is very very much useful to us. But हम लोगों को प्लास्टिक का यूज़ वेरी लाइक जुडिशली करना चाहिए. लाइक हमें जब एक प्लास्टिक से हमारा काम चल सकता है एक प्लास्टिक बैग से, वी डू नॉट हैव टू हैव 100 of plastic bags. Okay, so that's how we can reduce the use of plastic, and we can be using plastic side by side also. Second, why do pressure cookers have plastic handles? Because plastic can absorb very much heat to it, so that's why plastic handles are used in pressure cookers. So the next question is related to project work. Okay, now you have to prepare a skit. So what is skit? A small play type thing is prepared. You can take help of your classmates, or you can have a skit made with your friends. Take 4 to 5 students of your class and your teacher about preventing the use of polythene or plastic. Okay, with alternatives also, different types of. One group may be telling one use, one prevention method. Another group will be telling about one prevention method. Make a play out of it. Next question that you have to do in project work: visit any 5 families in your neighborhood and know about their clothes, shopping bags they use, and the reason for their choice and the advantage of using them. Suppose ask your mother, do she like to wear the cloth of cotton or rayon or nylon? So you will be getting an idea, and why also. Ask her why she like to wear that type of cloth. So you will be getting a general idea, and make a report and show it in your class to your teacher. Okay, now next is activity. What it is? Activity that you all will be interesting to do. Okay, now activity. You collect samples of different types of fabrics. You can just go to a tailor and collect all this fabric and make a scrapbook and write the name of each of the fabric given in your books. Now next, devise an activity to show that the organic waste is biodegradable while plastic is not. You can just simply take two things. Take an apple and take a plastic bottle and just I'm giving you an example. Dig a hole into the soil, put plastic in one pit and dig another hole and put apple in it. Cover that hole, water it and leave it for some period of time, like for 5 to 6 days. After that, dig that hole again. Plastic bottle will be as it is, but the apple will be start decaying. Okay, it will be start decomposing. So this is an activity to show plastic is biodegradable or not. Now I'm going to tell you about this Hermann Staudinger. In 1922, he was a German chemist, and he made his first macromolecular hypothesis. suggesting that the polymers are joint molecules formed by the permanent attachment of countless smaller molecules. So he was the person who have told you that polymers small units को combine करके बनते हैं. So he was the person, and because of this he get the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1953. So please students, appreciate them, learn from them, and try to become a great scientist for your country also and make us proud. So that will be all.